In much of Africa, there is a shortage of trained medical personnel. In some parts of Africa, there is an average of one health worker for every 1,000 people. So hospitals and clinics often find it difficult to employ enough trained staff. Many countries train medical professionals or sponsor them to study abroad, but in the end, many doctors decide to live and work overseas. This shortage of workers weakens a country's ability to fight diseases and provide essential and life-saving interventions for their people. The Seventh-day Adventist Church operates some 39 hospitals and 223 clinics on the African continent. Their goal is to provide healing, much like Jesus did. Yet staffing these institutions is not easy. In many cases, missionaries from other countries serve here. There is a tremendous need for local, trained health workers. A medical training center has long been a dream for the Adventist Church in this region. With a steady flow of medical workers, health in Rwanda and abroad would see a new day. This training center will be the second Adventist medical school on the African continent. The government of Rwanda has offered to partner with the Seventh-day Adventist Church to establish such a training center, and the highest levels of national and international accreditation have already been granted. This quarter, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will build a dormitory and a cafeteria at the Adventist University of Central Africa. These new buildings will complete some of the requirements for launching the medical programs. Please pray for this big project. Pray that it will bring healing to lives here and for eternity. The Seventh-day Adventist Church in South Sudan is growing strong. This is especially true for the children of Juba, the capital of South Sudan. Every Sabbath, the kids come to church. They bring chairs out and look for a place under a tree. Here they sing songs. They hear Bible stories, they pray, and give their offerings. The children of South Sudan are eager to learn more about Jesus. They enjoy hearing Bible stories, but they also enjoy taking part in the programs. This Sabbath school is a special place for them. South Sudan still experiences fighting in some areas. The situation here can be difficult at times. But in this class, the children learn about a God who loves and protects them. Now the children are praying for a new building. This lamb shelter will cover them from the rain and hot sunshine. Without it, they would not be able to hold their meetings on rainy Sabbaths. The building will also be used for community activities. The possibilities are endless. This quarter, we have a wonderful opportunity to help the children in Juba, South Sudan. Part of your 13th Sabbath offering will be used to build a lamb shelter, as well as the medical school in Kigali, Rwanda. Please pray for these projects that will impact so many lives for the kingdom of God.